Hello and welcome to St. Joseph classes. This is class for 5th standard EVS. This year you are having EVS, not SSL science. So we are taking the topic latitude and longitude. Before start this chapter latitude and longitudes, I have to make you understand about the globe, because these are the lines, latitudes and the longitudes are the imaginary lines which we are draw on the globe. So first we have to understand about the globe. Globe, you know, it is a model. Many times you get projects from your teachers as a globe. So this is a globe and it rotates on an imaginary line. This is a globe. Globe means a model of earth. It is a small model of earth on which we can see all over the world. So this is globe and this is called the axis. Axis means imaginary line on which globe is rotated. So this is a small model of our earth. On this globe we can see the different land masses. It means our earth is comprised with the land masses and the water bodies. Land masses, क्या है ये land masses? Land masses means continents. Continents. तो ये जो land masses है, these are called continents, and water bodies. Water bodies are called oceans. Oceans. So on the globe there are two colors, like green color, it indicates land masses, मतलब कि ये हमारा कौन सा पार्ट है, ये हमारा कॉन्टिनेंट पार्ट है, ये लैंड masses है, लैंड. एंड द ब्लू कलर इट शोज ओशियन. जो ब्लू कलर है इट इज वाटर बॉडीज, इट मीन्स इट इज ओशियन, एंड दिस ग्रीन कलर इट मीन्स इट इज लैंड मासेस, और इसको हम बोलते हैं हमारे ईवीएस की लैंग्वेज में कॉन्टिनेंट्स. सो कॉन्टिनेंट मीन्स द लैंड and the oceans are the water bodies. So this is the concept of the globe. Now we have to understand, we have to learn about the latitudes and the longitudes. What are the latitude and the longitude? On this globe, on the map, it is very difficult to find the places. It is very difficult to locate the places. अगर हमको पता लगाना है कि कौन सी प्लेस कहाँ पर लोकेट है, हमको कोई प्लेस को लोकेट करना, इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू यूज द लैटिट्यूड एंड द लॉन्गिट्यूड. फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज लैटिट्यूड्स. Latitudes means first I have to draw the diagram. What are the latitudes? This is a diagram of our globe or our earth. On this there are some there are the circle lines. Latitude means full circle. So these circle lines are called latitudes. There are not only these 4 or 5 latitudes, they are the important. These are the important lines. And there are many latitudes, but I am showing only 4 or 5 important latitudes. These are also called the parallel. These are also called parallels of latitudes. Parallel of latitudes. क्यों? क्योंकि ये parallel है. पैरेलल का मतलब है when the lines are going parallel, they are not joining on one place. अगर ये लाइंस हम ऐसे ड्रॉ करने जाएंगे तो क्या ये पैरेलल है? नो, इट इज नॉट पैरेलल. तो इसका मतलब पैरेलल कौन है? ये. सो दीज लाइन्स आर द पैरेलल, सो दे आर कॉल्ड पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड. दोनों तरह से बोल सकते हैं, हम लैटिट्यूड्स भी बोल सकते हैं, हम पैरेलल ऑफ लैटिट्यूड्स भी बोल सकते हैं. सो टू नेम्स आर लैटिट्यूड्स एंड पैरेलल ऑफ लैटिट्यूड्स. नाउ I want to clear that the important latitude, the largest latitude, longest latitude is equator. This is important, equator, which denote with the 0 degree. This is equator, denote with the 0 degree. It means this is the longest, it is 0 degree and it is called, what it is called? It is called the equator. इसका नाम है equator. This equator is the longest latitude and this latitude divide our earth into 2 equal halves. इसका मतलब है हमारा ये जो लैटिट्यूड है हमारी अर्थ को बराबर बराबर 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है. मतलब आधा पार्ट ऊपर, इट मीन्स नॉर्थ, हाफ पार्ट नीचे, इट मीन्स साउथ. सो इट इज कॉल्ड द साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड द नॉर्थ पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. सो अपर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड नॉर्दर्न एंड दिस लोअर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. So these are 2 spheres, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Now about some important latitudes, it means equator is the longest one. After that 23.5 degree latitude. After that 66.5 degree latitude. On the end of the point it is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. And also in the south direction it is 90 degrees south. Okay, and these are the same repeated here in the southern hemisphere. So it is called the 23.5 degrees south, it is called the 23.5 degree north, 66.5 degrees south, and here also 66.5 degree south. So these are the important lines of this latitude. Now the second is longitude. Here we complete our one topic, latitude. So some main features are there. These are the parallel, these are the circle. It means these lines are shown only half ना, but ये half नहीं है. Actually ये अर्थ के दोनों तरफ ऐसे घूम रही है. It means they are circle. आप जब एक बॉल लोगे उसके ऊपर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करोगे आपको पता चलेगा कि हम कैसे सर्कल बना सकते हैं. सो दे आर द सर्कल लाइंस एंड द लॉन्गेस्ट लैटिट्यूड इज कॉल्ड इक्वेटर. इट इज डिनोट एज द 0 डिग्री. इट डिवाइड आवर अर्थ इनटू 2 पार्ट्स, इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड इन द साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. नाउ लॉन्गिट्यूड. longitudes. This is the topic, longitudes. Longitudes, these are the latitudes. They are drawn in sleeping line. They are called the horizontal. Okay, horizontal lines. But these lines we will draw in vertical. This is called vertical. Verticals. So इस तरह की जो लाइनें बनेंगी उसको हम वर्टिकल लाइंस बोलते हैं. कैसा ड्राइंग बनेगा? सेम अर्थ बनाते हैं, ग्लोब. नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द लाइंस. द मिडल लाइन, इट मीन्स दिस नॉट इक्वेटर, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्राइम मेरिडियन. दिस इज नॉट इक्वेटर. Equator is here in the latitudes. So this is called the 0 degree prime meridian. Prime meridian. And all these lines are not parallel. It means यहाँ हमने सारी लाइनें ऐसे ऐसे पैरेलल में करी है, which are not joined on one place. But now जब हम लॉन्गिट्यूड की लाइंस बनाएंगे वो पैरेलल नहीं बनेगी और वो जॉइंट भी हो सकती है. इन सच अ मैनर दे आर joined on one place. So these are the different longitudes and they are having there some degrees, 0 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree, 6 up to here 90 degree, then here 180 degree. Okay, in the same way here also we can write 20 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree and here 90 degree and 180 degree. So there are total 360 degree, 360 longitudes. All over they are 360 and they are not parallel to each other. Yes, of course, this prime meridian is passes through the Greenwich. This passes through the Greenwich कहाँ है ये ग्रीनविच? इन लंडन, ग्रीनविच इन लंडन, UK. So this is prime meridian passing through the Greenwich in London, and it also divide our earth into two equal halves. दो बराबर बराबर हिस्से में फिर से डिवाइड कर रही है, दो बराबर. And this part is called the eastern hemisphere and this part is called the western hemisphere because this is the east direction and this is the west direction. Okay, this is all over about the longitudes. Longitude का मतलब है जब लाइंस हमारी हॉरिजॉन्टल नहीं आके वर्टिकल्स आ रही हैं, और उसमें से सबसे जो लॉन्गेस्ट है, नो दे आर इक्वल, नॉट लॉन्गेस्ट, दे आर इक्वल. इट इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ दिस लॉन्गिट्यूड. दे ऑल आर इक्वल, they are not equal. As they are move far from the equator, they are moving on the top ना, they decrease their size. Size इनकी थोड़ी छोटी 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 होती जाएगी, and they are all equal in size. So this is all about latitudes and longitudes. Now the question is how we locate the place. How we locate the place? So we take help from the latitude and longitudes. For that we have to make a network of these are longitudes and these are latitudes. So this is a network of latitudes and longitudes. Longitudes and these are the latitudes. When they cross each other, they denote some places. जहाँ जहाँ पर वो एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करेगी, these places help us to find the places, locate the places. These are the points where we can locate the place. We can see the place. We can locate the place. So this is all about the latitude and the longitude and how can we locate the places on the globe, and we can find the places with the help of the globe. So it is clear. 3 or 4 main topics we include in this chapter and all about our globe. Thank you.